Welcome student. Today we study the potato. Local name is the aloo or batata. The family, botanical name, origin can be also asked for our tabular information or fill in the blanks. So initially family is the Solanaceae or potato belongs Solanaceae family. Then we study the botanical name of potato. Solanum tuberosum is the botanical name of potato. Then the origin is the South America. Spanish explorers found the potato under cultivation in western South America in 1537, but that is not found in Mexico. So the South America is the origin of potato. Then the central level research station is located at Shimla state, Himachal Pradesh in India, and state level research station of potato is located at Khed, Rajgurunagar district, Pune. Then we study the importance of potato. Potato is important cash crop which gives ready cash to the farmer within a short time. Potato tubers said to be complete food as it contains carbohydrates 17%, proteins, vitamins like B6 that is 15%, vitamin C 32%. Next one is the vitamin K that is 2%. Then the minerals like calcium, ferrous 5%, zinc 3%, potassium 9%. So it provides more nutritional values to our daily diet. So it is known as a complete food of people. Next one is it is one of the major vegetable crop grown in world. It is the richest source of starch. The calories are higher contains, that is the calorific value is high. It produces more food per unit area or tubers. It produces more tubers per unit area than any other crop within a short period. In India, it is used as a vegetable along with mix with another vegetable and various byproducts or processed products are also produced or manufactured by the potato, that is the potato chips, finger chips, cubes, flowers, etc. Then we study the varieties of potato. There are varieties. We also ask for our 1 mark fill in the blank. So varieties are also carefully listen. Up to date. Number second, Kupri Chamatkar. Number third, Kupri Sindhuri. Number four, Kupri Alankar. Number five, Kupri Chandramukhi. Number six, Kupri Jyoti. Number seven, Kupri Laukar. And number eight, Kupri Safed. These are the varieties of potato. These varieties are also studied carefully. Then we study ecology. In ecology, initially we study the climatic requirements. There are different climatic requirements. Points are also written or study in this point. So initially we note down that the potato is temperate climatic region crop and it required cool climate for its development or vegetative growth, but it can be adapted a wide range of climatic conditions throughout a year. It grows well in temperature between 15 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius. Then the high day temperature 20 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius is better for vegetative growth, but while 15 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius night temperature is better for the tuber formation. Tuber formation is totally stopped when temperature goes above the 30 degrees Celsius, that is the soil temperature. When goes above 30 degrees Celsius, that time potato tuber formation or development is totally stopped. Then the warm weather results increase the reproduction of insects that they transmit the mosaic viruses or virus diseases. So these are the climatic requirements. Then we study soil requirement of potato. Soil well drained and rich in organic matter. Soils are best suitable or select. Then the loam soils, sandy loam soils are more suitable for the proper development of tubers or proper growth of tubers. Then it prefer slightly acidic soil, that is the pH have a 5.2 to 6.4, and it cannot be tolerate alkaline soil. These points are also carefully listen or study. Then we study as a land preparation. After harvesting of previous crop with the help of plough, iron, bullock drawn or tractor drawn, soil is ploughed immediately and stubbles and weed plants are collected and destroyed by burning. Then the land is exposed for sunlight near about 1 to 1.5 months. Then with the help of clod crusher or operate 2 to 3 crosswise harrowings to crush the clod. At the time of last harrowing, 25 to 30 cartload FYM per hectare. Mix with soil properly, and then harrowings are given to well mix the FYM. Care should be taken that the polydol dust or forage granules are also mixed with FYM to control the soil-borne pests like white grubs. Then the seed bed is prepared as a smooth, because potato tuber required smooth seed bed. So these are the preparatory tillage or land preparation. Then we study the planting methods. Planting methods, generally furrow method are also used for planting of potato. After land preparation, furrows are opened with the help of Deshi iron plough at 35 to 45 centimeter distance apart from each other, that is the distance between furrow to furrow. Then the basal dose of fertilizer is applied in furrows by hand. Then the tubers are planted at the bottom of furrow 15th centimeter to 22.5 centimeter apart from each other, and the tubers are planted at 4 to 5 inch deep into the soil. Then the tubers are covered with soil by opening next furrow, and after planting the field is leveled with the help of planker. Then the flat beds are open, and if there is a requirement, light irrigation water is given to the seed bed by opening the drainage canals. Initially, light water should be applied. Heavy application initial stage of germination that results rotting of tubers. So many gaps are appeared into the field. Then the planting time or planting season. It can be successfully grown in Kharif and Rabi season. In Kharif season, Satara and Ahmednagar district, it is grown June to July, and in Rabi season, Pune and Nashik districts, it is grown in the month of October to November. Then we study the seed selection or tuber selection in potato. One sentence should be carefully listened. The potato is vegetatively propagated by tubers. Tubers is this sentence also asks for our 1 mark, fill in the blanks. So first point we should be write down as a potato is propagated by the mean of tubers. Tubers should be true type or genetically pure. It should be free from pest and disease like tuber moth pest, bacterial wilt disease, and other viruses disease. In Maharashtra, potato tuber seed is brought from Simla region after every 2 seasons, as they are free from bacterial and viral diseases. It should be healthy, well matured, and uniform in size. Each tuber have 2 to 3 sprouted eyebuds. It required complete its rest period near about 2.5 to 3 months before they can use as a seed. Then the medium to big size tubers are used for planting. Medium sized tubers are planted as a whole tubers, while big tubers are cut into pieces, and each cut piece have a 30 gram in weight and have a 2 to 3 sprouted eyebuds. This point also should be asked for our 2 marks short note, seed selection or tuber selection in potato. Then the seed rate of potato, when it is used as a whole tubers, that time 15th to 22.5 quintals tubers per hectare, and when cut pieces are used, that time 15th to 20 quintals per hectare tubers are required as a seed rate. Then the spacing, that is the 35 centimeter by 35 centimeter to 45 centimeter distance between row to row, and distance between plant to plant is taken 15 centimeter to 22.5 centimeter, that is the plant to plant. Then we study the seed treatments in potato. Seed treatments, there are 3 treatments are given, that is the 1% thiourea treatment, number 2 light treatment, number 3 fungicide compound solution treatment. Each should be studied as a detail. 1% thiourea solution treatment. The object of this treatment is to break the seed dormancy of tubers when they are used before completing its rest period, that is the when it is used immediately after harvesting, that time this treatment is given. The tubers are dipped in a 1% thiourea solution for 1 hour before the planting, and then tubers are planted. It helps to break the seed dormancy of potato tubers, and it can be sprouted or emergence weekly. Then the light treatment. The object of this treatment is to improve the sprouting of tubers and better germination and early maturity of tubers. So this treatment is given. Tubers are spread in a thin layer in cool place and expose diffuse light allowed to spread on tubers, and it help the increase or improve the germination of tubers and early maturity of tubers. So this treatment is also important. Then the fungicide compound solution treatment. The object of this treatment is to control or prevent those seed-borne diseases like ring rot or bacterial diseases. So this treatment is given before the planting of potato tubers, and also when cut tubers are used, that time to avoid the decaying of tubers by the soil microorganism after sowing. So this treatment is most beneficial. The Before the planting of tubers, cut tubers are deep in 0.2% Bavistine or DZ78 solution for 5 to 10 minutes, and after that these tubers are taken out from the solution and used for planting. These are the seed treatments in potato. There are three seed treatments. When we ask for 2 mark, that time 3 treatments and their explanation must be required. Then the aftercare or intercultivation in potato. The intercultivation operations like hand weeding and earthing up are majorly done to destroy the weed plants, to keep the soil loose for proper development of tubers, and cover the tubers with soil. So these operations are given, or interculture operations are given. Generally, first hand weeding is given when the plants are 15 to 20 centimeter in height, and at the same time during the first hand weeding, light earthing up or soil support is given to the plant to avoid the directly contact of tubers and water. And second weeding is given after 3 weeks of first weeding, after 3 weeks of sowing time. Then the same operations like earthing up is given with the help of digging fork to cover the exposed developing tubers. All these operations should be given carefully without damage roots and developing tubers. If the developing tubers are not covered or exposed, is not covered with soil, and when it is exposed, part of tuber turn into green color, which is unfit to the human consumption. So care should be taken that the potato tubers are also covered with soil. Sometimes this operation is given with the help of deshi, light weighted or wooden plough. The potato tubers are covered with by operating light wooden plough at the sides of furrows. So this point should be carefully study or listen. Then we study manuring. At the time of land preparation, 25 to 35 cartloads FYM per hectare will mix with soil. Then the recommended fertilizer dose for potato in Maharashtra is the 100 kg nitrogen, 100 kg phosphorus and 62 kg potash per hectare. Out of these, 3/4 quantity of nitrogen and complete dose of phosphorus and potash is given as a basal dose before the planting or at the time of planting. Remaining 1/4 dose of nitrogen is given at the time of second earthing up, that is after 25 days of planting time. The potash should be given in the form of sulfate of potash. It helps potato tubers are developed properly and its keeping quality is remain for long duration during the storage period. So these points are studied in this video and remaining points of potato we study in next video. Thank you student.